Today we have ourselves a 2011 Toyota Tundra with a 5.7. It's got 81,611 miles on it. It died on the customer going down the road and became a crank no start. We brought it in, did a code sweep with the Autel. There's no code stored or pending. Quick test that I did was just see if it would run off alternative fuel, and it does. So we're going to focus our efforts on the fuel pump system. This uses a fuel pump ECU. And what we did was we bypassed the ECU, jumper the terminals, the fuel pump turns on, the truck will start, run fine. So we're going to focus our efforts on the fuel pump ECU. And basically what we did is confirm that the PCM is able to control it. And this is with the old ECU. You can see on 80% duty cycle, we're only getting 4.53 volts. So I'll go ahead and swap it with a new ECU. Go with the 80% duty cycle. And now we're at 11.95 volts. See if it starts. And it starts and runs. Thanks.